Take a look at my Phantom wallet, $6.13 million, all purely made from making crypto meme coins. Not by trading, not by guessing, just by using a method that keeps printing. Stay tuned and I'll walk you through exactly how it works. Now, as you guys may know, I used to trade crypto meme coins every single day, trying to become fucking rich, but it never worked. Why? Because every time I bought into a brand new meme coin, thinking I was going to make profits, something really bad happened. Well, I bought in a coin and I got rug pulled. This happened over and over again. I basically became exit liquidity. I am sure this exact scenario happened to you guys a couple of times. And that's exactly when it hit me. The winners in this space are not trading meme coins. They're not. They're actually deving them. Because when you launch your own coins, you decide everything from the supply, the launch time, and the whole narrative. You've got nothing to lose by launching your own coins because you were the one building the coin, not buying. You were just creating for free and then dumping for profits over and over again. This is exactly why I switched from trading to deving, because now I can simply flip $0 into a couple $1,000 and just do it over and over again because this method is repeatable. And right now, Bitcoin and Solana is fucking pumping. This is your moment to start. You guys need to keep watching because I will be ungatekeeping the method. But obviously, this whole video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice, so please don't copy me. Now, most people or most meme coin devs tend to go to Pump.fun to launch their own coins. But on this platform, Pump.fun is overcrowded. In 2025, bro, this shit does not work anymore if you want to take this seriously. Now, thousands of coins are launching every single day and most never even get traction. That's exactly why it's overflooded. When you create a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, your coin has to reach a $95,000 market cap for it to even be graduated onto the Radium DEX. That takes too long and you have to get lucky. It's like winning a lottery ticket. It's impossible. And that's exactly why I switched to create token.Io, because on this platform, bro, everyone has a chance to make some bread. Now on this platform, all your coins launches directly onto the Radium DEX, which means it will be immediately migrated and it will be shown to tens and thousands of potential traders, which will give your project real exposure, by the way, and that's the beauty of create token.Io. You get full control, you get faster launches, and more eyes on your coin, bro. It's fucking get kept to the fucking max, and this is exactly why thousands of devs are coming to this platform. Now here's how to do it on create token.Io. You have two different ways to go about it to launch a meme coin, and it's up to you. The first method is to start from scratch, which means you are creating your own custom coin from scratch with a name, symbol, and image, obviously, right? So go on X and look for a narrative to make a meme coin off of. It could be like anything, right? Let me see if I could find something like LeBron James right here in a movie. What else? Donald Trump. Anything that's politics, news, Elon Musk, they all do really well. Like this robot right here just got launched. That's a really good narrative. I'm pretty sure someone made a coin out of that. Let's see what else there is. But yeah, bro, you get how it works. You have a narrative and then come back to create tokens.Io, invent a name, create a symbol, take a screenshot for your meme coin logo, and just like that, your custom coin is created after these steps right here. It's easy, bro. But the second method, bro, it's my preferred method and the most profitable by far, bro. It's the one that made me all my money, and that's by copying trending coins all day. Now all these coins right here are already hot on Pump.fun, and all you have to do from now on as a dev is copy one or all of them and launch them instantly to Radium, and since they already have hype and traffic, you'll get instant buyers and better profit potential right from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins, bro. You guys will see with a quick example. Alright, let's launch this coin right now live on camera so you can see exactly how simple and fast the whole process is. So first of all, make sure you connect your Phantom wallet and then click on the refresh button to have all the new coins and to be up with time. And you know what, bro? The one that caught my attention is the Ween coin. It has a cool PFP. I last buy 7 seconds ago. Fuck it, I'm gonna copy it. So click on create coin, and then ignore the block from Phantom. Just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. And boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's on the blockchain and it's all legit. Anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's easy. We're creating the liquidity pool. That's what gives your coin a real market cap on Radium, so people can trade your coin, which means they can sell and buy your coin through your liquidity pool. My bad. So for the token A, just click the 90% button. That's basically gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool, and you are keeping 100 million in your dev wallet. Right under for the token B, this is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing any SOL. It's just locked inside the pool to start the market cap. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later, that Solana will come straight back inside your Phantom wallet. That's exactly why you have nothing to lose, nothing to worry about, okay? It's just the first buy and you will get it later. Okay, so I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, click on the refresh button, and then if you scroll down, boom, the Ween coin is now live. You have your coins right here, and your profits are at $0. Now, if you click on the refresh button to see your profits in real time, you guys can see that we're now up $200 because, in fact, people are buying our coin on the blockchain. Okay, so click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on Axiom and copy paste the address right here, right? And then let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. It has to load in. We're actually late. Come on, bro. And as you guys can see, we are fucking popping. Let's fucking go. Come on, we're already up a couple $100, 1.6k market cap. Come on, it has a pump. Now the chart might look funky at the beginning, but after a couple of seconds, it is gonna stabilize and go up and up and up. That's the beauty of deving coins, bro. Because every single time you launch a meme coin, you are losing nothing. You are creating for free, and then you're waiting for organic buyers to come in from MemeScope, from Axiom, from GMGN, from any trading platform. Pump, bro, pump. I just want one big bomb, bro. Come on now. Oh my god! Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god, bro! So many buyers! Okay, let's fucking dump the coin! Let's go! Let's go, bro! Let's go! Pump! Yeah! Yeah, bro! Come on! Yes! Oh my god, bro! This is what we need to see. Come on, bro! Oh my god! We just made like $400 right here or some shit. I don't even know how much we made. Oh my god, guys. I love... Oh my god, it's still going. It's actually still going, guys. Yo, we might be able to like cash out right now, literally, if we wanted to. I think I'm gonna give this coin a bit more time, okay? And then I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I am back. We're pushing $5,000 in market cap. We have really good volume, really good transactions, and a high liquidity. Now it's the best time to start, cashing out profit. So come back to create token.Io real quick, and then click on the refresh button to, refresh your profits. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1.85 thousand because we are at a $5,000 market cap. So click on the minus button, and here you can choose the amount that you want to remove. If you do 100%, you are basically going to receive 1.9k. If you do half of it, well, you're going to receive half, but I'm going to do 100%. Click on the red button to remove the money. And as you guys can see, I'm going to receive around 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! Get fucked! Let's fucking go, bro! Now, if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much we made, and for proof, boom! $1.86 thousand went straight inside my Phantom wallet, and it's legit. You guys can see, bro. Like, I'm not fucking lying, bro. The method is actually insane, bro. You guys need to start trying this before it's too late. Well, I think it will never be too late, but yeah, bro. And if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, subscribe, and join my Telegram down below for the entry. Bye!